If you need to change the email address on Mailchimp, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can update your account details quickly and avoid confusion later. I'll also point out an important limitation at the end, because depending on how you signed in, Mailchimp may not let you change the email directly inside the account. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're on the Mailchimp admin area, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon or profile menu. Click on that profile area to open the account options. This is where Mailchimp keeps your user and account settings, so it's the first place you need to go when updating your email address. After you open the profile menu, click on Profile. This should take you into your user profile settings. From there, look for the Settings section and click on it. Settings is where Mailchimp stores contact and account information, so don't worry if it takes a second to find the exact option. Next, in the Settings area, find Contact Information and click on it. This section contains the main contact details associated with your Mailchimp account. Once you open Contact Information, look for the Edit option and click it. This will allow you to make changes to the account email address and other profile details. Now you should see the email address field. Click into the email address box and type in your new email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters, because this email is important for login access and account notifications. After entering the new email, click Change to save the update. At this point, Mailchimp may ask you to confirm the change or verify the new email address. If that happens, check the inbox of the new email account and follow any confirmation instructions Mailchimp sends you. That step is important because many platforms require verification before a new login email becomes active. Now here's the part you should know. If you signed into Mailchimp using a Gmail account, you may not be able to change the email address directly inside Mailchimp itself. In that case, the email change may need to happen through your Google account settings instead. So if Mailchimp does not allow the update from within the platform, go to your Gmail or Google account settings and change the email there first. To recap, the main steps are: go to Mailchimp, open the Profile menu, click Profile, go to Settings, open Contact Information, click Edit, type in the new email address, and then click Change. If your login is tied to Gmail and the option is restricted, update it from your Google account settings instead. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support more clear step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.